Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. This is session 6.3, and today I think I'm going to get back to trying to work on the snare. If we got time, we'll try and get a hi-hat going. But just so you know, remember, this is just the noise. I just trimmed it down, so it's not, I mean, for like kind of a lo-fi, grungy kind of beat, it works, but I think we can do better. And then I just want to show you one thing. I was just messing around, and the Bit Crusher just has like such a cool. Just reminds me of like some old arcade games. Thinking like I don't know. There's a like not Gauntlet. It'll come to me. Maybe I'll tell you when I get there. But anyway, I dig the sound, but I need to resample it if I want to keep it. So we'll record this. I'll just put it over on 12. Whoops, what am I doing? Exit. Resample. Pad 12. Alright. So, back to kind of looking around. That's interesting. Not in love with any of this yet. I kind of, the reverb might be something we could work with, but I don't know. It's kind of an interesting sound again, but I'll record it. But not really what I'm going for. As I said, resonator we're going to get some use out of to make some sounds. I don't know, maybe I need to... Maybe I'm stuck with this for now. If I am, let's shift pitch and... I wonder if I just need the compressor on the end here. Nah, I mean, it reads more like something you use in a crash. So let's turn this off. We'll get back to it. What do we have? We've got SBF. Is that doing? It's not doing anything for us. So remain, pad 14. Let's get out of here. Let us go back to bank A. Just looking for something that we can use for a hi-hat. Pad 8 I think is good, so copy A8 to B15. We'll do that. First thing I want to do, I think, is turn the compressor on. And now we want to truncate this. This is super long. I do like to have my hi-hats play out a bit longer so I can kind of vary how long I play them for to get kind of a between an open and closed sound without having to work too hard on it. Anyway, let's truncate this down. So I like that with the compressor on. It's got a nice kind of attack to it. So we're going to resample that to pad 16 and do it. So let's delete pad 15. We'll exchange shift pad 5, 16 to 15. So this snare is going to be the death of me because it's just too much in this sound space of what we have for a hat right now. So maybe use isolator to. That's a little bit better. I still think the snare needs to be boosted, but let's just record this off. So we got isolator on for the hat, so we just get a little, just the high end. Resample this to pad 16. We're done. Delete 15, and then exchange 16 and 15. This at least gets us a little bit of a drum kit and some other fun sounds here. So hopefully that kind of shows you guys building up a little bit. We'll just keep tweaking this and adjusting as we go along. But next session, we'll start making some pads for, I don't know, either some bass sounds or some instruments or something. But take it easy, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye.